Hello everyone and welcome back again. In today's video I'm going to walk you through, we're going to be looking at MAILERLITE. Now what is MAILERLITE? MAILERLITE is an email marketing platform that is designed to help businesses of all sizes create, send and track email campaigns. Let me give you a breakdown of its key features. 1. Email creation. 2. Email list management. 3. Automation. 4. Landing pages. 5. Analytics and reporting. 6. It also has other features like sign-up forms and pop-ups, e-commerce integration, customer support. So let's look at them one after the other. Let's start with the first one, which is email creation. Here you can easily create visually appealing emails with a user-friendly interface, which is a drag and drop editor. Then you have templates under email creation, where you can choose from a variety of pre-designed templates or create your own from scratch. We also have the personalization section, which helps you personalize emails with subscriber names, purchase history and other data. Then you can also test different subject lines, content and send times to optimize campaign performance. That's what we have under email creation. Now under email list management, here you can easily add, remove and segment your email subscribers. So in that was subscriber management. Then we also have import and export of subscribers, where you can import or export subscriber lists into various formats like CSV, XLSL, XLSX. Then we also have subscriber segmentation, where you can segment your audience based on demographics, interests and behavior. That's what we have under the email list management. The other automation, which is another feature or characteristics of MAILERLITE, we're looking at automation. Now, it can help you create automated email sequence based on subscriber behavior. For example, welcome emails, abandoned carts, reminders. They can also send automated emails based on specific events like birthday, anniversary. So it helps us to set up triggered campaigns. Then that is all under automation. We're moving on to landing pages. Now you can design and publish dedicated landing pages for specific campaigns. It can integrate landing pages with your website and social media. Then with MAILERLITE, you can also do analytics and reporting. That is, it helps you track key metrics, monitor open rates, click-through rates, bounce rates and conversions. Also can give you in-depth insight into campaign performance. You can also analyze the results of your A/B tests to optimize future campaigns. Now, those other features I mentioned, I talk about sign-up forms and pop-up, so you can easily create and embed sign-up forms on your website. You can easily integrate with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce. This also helps provide helpful resources and support options. So as you can see, MAILERLITE is particularly well suited for small businesses and startups, so it offers affordable pricing plans and a user-friendly interface. Also very suitable for beginners in email marketing, as it's easy to learn and use with helpful tutorials and resources. Also, if you're a business looking for a cost-effective solution to provide good value for the price. Overall, MAILERLITE is a solid choice for businesses seeking a user-friendly and affordable email marketing platform. Its intuitive interface, robust features and competitive pricing make it a popular choice for many marketers. So let's look at how to. That is all under MAILERLITE. So in my next video, I'm going to look at how to automate messages using AI. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.